Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Maverick Lee, and I've been wanting to try something which has been going viral and very popular online. It's supposed to be out of this world. It's supposed to be delicious. There's a lot of hype surrounding it. What is it? It is the Chocolate Pistachio Kunafa bar. So I finally got one. Let's go check it out. Let's see what it's all about. Is it really all that? Wait and see. Straight from Dubai itself, look what I've got. Air sealed to keep in the freshness. It's surprisingly much smaller than I expected. When I say small, I ain't kidding. I mean, take a look how small this is right here. That's it. Look at the size of that. That was in that big box. That's crazy. It's almost like the size of my hand. Wow, the pistachio smells so good. It's melting very fast in my hands as well. The chocolate smells so nice. Now, you can actually get this in two flavors, I believe. Dark chocolate and milk chocolate that I am aware of. This one here is actually the milk chocolate one. Now take a closer look at that. You can see the pistachio in the middle. How good does that look? Now some of these actually have like a marble-like effect on the top. This one doesn't, but it does come with a small little sachet of pistachio that I can sprinkle on top. I've been dying to take a bite out of this, so let's get to it. Let's start with the corner. Nice and savory. Not too sweet, actually, surprisingly. I thought it was going to be very sweet. It's very rich. And it's delicate. It's actually quite satisfying when you take a bite out of that. It's a nice texture inside your mouth. It's really nice. It's unusual as well. It's got like a crunch, but it's also soft in the middle and the inside. So yeah, it's really nice. And I love pistachio, and I also love milk chocolate. So that's a perfect combination. It's very nice. But I think just a little bit of this is enough, you know, because like I mentioned, it is very rich. Let's take a closer look. Look at that. Wow. That is pretty good. But I have to admit, I think the reason it's went so popular online and even trending and viral is because of the actual vivid colors. How unusual, interesting it looks, because it's actually not as good as it looks, but it is good. I would give that a 3.4 out of 5. Well, I hope you enjoyed that short video review. If you enjoyed this video, check out my other video for more reviews just like this. Don't forget, like the video and subscribe to the channel.